Hello everyone, today I will explain how to activate an Airtel SIM card. First, take your new Airtel SIM card and insert it into your phone. Now you need the 20-digit SIM number. You can find this number printed on the SIM card or on the SIM card holder. Keep this number ready. From your existing mobile number or sometimes from the new Airtel number if it allows, open the Message app. Create a new message and type SIM followed by a space and then the 20-digit new SIM number. Send this message to 121. After sending the message, you will receive a confirmation reply from Airtel. Reply with the number 1 to confirm the activation request. This step is very important, so make sure you reply correctly. Once you confirm, you may receive an automated call from Airtel. Answer the call and follow the voice instructions. You may be asked to verify your identity using details from the ID document you used when buying the SIM. Listen carefully and respond as instructed. After completing the verification, Airtel will process your request. SIM activation usually takes between 1 and 2 days. During this time, keep the SIM inside your phone and restart the phone occasionally to check for network activation. Thanks for watching.